Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can edit using funny face effect on CapCut mobile application. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to create new project on my CapCut mobile application. I'm going to select new project, and since I don't have any footage to be edited, I'm going to go to the CapCut library and I'm going to get a video from here. For example, I'm gonna go with this one guys, and I'm going to apply funny face effect to this video. Okay, I'm going to add it to my project. Alright, and now the video has been imported to this CapCut project, and I'm going to show you how we can apply funny face effect to this video. If you want to apply funny face effect, we can go to the effect menu, and here we have to go to the body effect. And in this body effect, you can scroll all the way to the right around here to go to the funny faces category. This one. And here we'll be able to get a bunch of funny faces effect. And I'm going to show you one by one. The first one is embarrassed face effect. This is how the effect looks like. And the second one is big head. And also the fake laugh. And then big mouth and bend, and also the gorilla face. That is so cute. And the last one is cheer. Okay, and then you can choose the effect that you like. For example, I'm gonna go with gorilla face. Once you're done choosing the effect, you can click on the check mark, and don't forget to make the effect align with your video by dragging the effect like this. And you can also combine two effects for your video. If you want to combine two effects, you can just go back to the body effect and go to the funny faces, and here I have applied my first effect, and for the second one I'm gonna go with cheer. Let's combine the gorilla face with a cheer. Okay, this is the result. Click on the check mark and make the second effect align with your video as well. Okay, and then this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to edit using funny face effect in CapCut mobile application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video guys.